Come on! Come on, let's go see. Come on, let's go see. What is happening in here? What is going on? What is happening? My super dog. Oh! Light is on. Here we are in the bathroom. So we have a jack here holding up where this joist is broken, which is holding up this whole rotten wall here. I don't know. It's a nightmare. Yeah, pretty much the same thing on this side too. There's nothing holding up this wall. Except down here a little bit. But like there's some weight from the attic right here for sure. So we gotta do something here. Set up here or something. Weight of the air conditioner, roof structure or something, there's weight there. So that's our next step, is to try and get a pier right there. Let's see what that does. And a pier and jack here too. And then this piece behind, well, this will go. Gone. And see, these are original nails here. These are the original wedgie nails. Right here. That's an original nail from the house. Right there. Another one, another one, and another one. Little iron nails that held down the original boards. Italian groove subfloor. Very cool. Alright, Crazy, you ready? The kitties down here. Nasty old kitties. Alright, let's go. Come on. Alright, thank you for watching, and we'll continue soon.